Behind that beautiful coffee cup is my not so beautiful GoPro Hero 8. About a year ago I lost it on a road trip through California. It ended up on the highway, completely destroyed. The lens has shattered and that's the quality. Unusable, as you can see here. Nevertheless, I was looking for a replacement lens, couldn't find one since many of them were not available anymore. The problem is lots of shards. As you can see here, the lens is open, so a lot of dust build up over the last year. The cleaning will be a bit more demanding. This is the kit with the lens, and there's like a adhesive frame sticker coming with it. Let's see how that works. To get remaining adhesive off, I use that scraper and some adhesive remover. That should do the job. Starting off with a heat gun. You can probably also use a normal hair dryer. I used position 1 that corresponds to a temperature of about 100 degrees Celsius. It's crucial not to overheat in order to avoid melting of the surrounding, especially the display where I put my fingers on. With the fingers you also feel quite well what's going on heat-wise. After first treatment, like 30 seconds, I tried to lever it out, but that just didn't work yet, so I had to do it three more times. It is of great importance to not heat up the material too fast. It should slowly soften up the adhesive, and then it's a matter of time until you're able to nicely get the pieces of the remaining lens out of the frame. To clean everything firmly was in that particular case a bit more time demanding because the lens has shattered and all the shards were still sticking on the frame. Step by step I got the pieces off, the bigger ones first, but with the tweezer, a needle and a scraper it was quite simple to get all the pieces out and clean off the adhesive from the frame. I used an air pressure pistol with reduced compressor pressure to blow out, clean out everything, even the smallest chips coming out like this, especially between the surface where the lens comes on and the case. Here in a closer look you can still see some adhesive on the frame, but we're getting there. Also some scratches, but those were from the crash itself and not from the cleaning or removing the lens. But that shouldn't bother the quality of the camera. So I kept cleaning to make sure really every remaining adhesive is off. Finally, I start with the process of attaching the new lens. Therefore, I bring here the adhesive sticker in place. That sticker also touches the lens inside and the surrounding and takes the dust with it. You don't want to have any dust in between the lens and the camera. Here comes the last blow off, and then it's time to install the lens. In my perspective, that doesn't look too bad at all. Now it's time to test the camera. It's still not a beauty, but it does what it needs to do. I'm really glad having the camera back working. There's no indication of dust or any fingerprints on the lens. Nice picture throughout. It was a success for me. It worked great. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.